That's the car that started it all. In 2009, the little party team Red Bull came into F1, and well, since they have hit the century mark of wins in only 14 years. And at this rate, they're probably going to surpass, well, at least McLaren, or at least Williams, because they're never going to win again. And Mercedes only has 125. So with how things are going, they could be third on the list very, very quickly. We obviously know how things are going this year with Verstappen just being absolutely unstoppable. Uh, it's a pretty sad sight to watch. Like it is, but for reference sake, Red Bull started in 2009. They won both the constructors and drivers title in 2010, 11, and 12, and 13. For a team that just barely started to win 4 championships in a row in your second, third, fourth year, or second, third, fourth, and fifth years. Yes, they did obviously have the 2014 to 2020 Mercedes domination, but from 21, 22, and now this year, it absolutely looks insane. When you consider 21, they won 11 races, 22, they won 17, and 23, they are up to 9 as of the Canadian Grand Prix. And it does not look like anybody's going to be contesting them or contesting him. I mean, it's pretty cool to see. I mean, personally, I like them, so my bias is one way or the other. But for a team to be 14 years old and have 100 wins, and you consider there's a lot of like funny stats I'm reading on this because one of the, where is it, crazy thing in the between Williams, Red Bull, Ferrari, McLaren, and Mercedes, those 5 teams, the top teams, they have won 768 out of 1,087 total Grand Prix. That's 70.28%. Obviously, with 100 of them, 100 Grand Prix out of 1,000, Red Bull has won 10% by themselves. But I don't know. In the comments, will you tell me? Are you a Red Bulls fan? Are you a McLaren fan? Mercedes? Ferrari? Whoever it is? Who do you want to see win? Are you happy this year? I'm not going to say I'm happy this year. I'd like to see more actual racing than Verstappen out ahead 30 seconds and just crushing everybody. But I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. Who's your favorite driver? Favorite team? Favorite era? Favorite car? Are you into the V12s? Do you like these hybrids? Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things you can on this platform while you're down there because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.